Alright, if you have watched my Tecno CAMON 17 review, which I will link below in case you are yet to watch it, you will notice two things were paramount. First, I complained about the 4 gigs of RAM, that 6 gigs of RAM would have been better because that will enhance the performance of the smartphone since it is powered by MediaTek G85 chipset. Now, according to an insider, Tecno is currently working on a 6 gigs of RAM model, which will soon hit the market. Secondly, I also talked about the Super Night mode being crappy, and I also got informed that it is an issue that software update can fix over time. Now, I just need to clarify that. However, in this video, I'm going to show you tips and tricks that will enable you to enjoy this smartphone even more. First is the App Twin. In the settings under special function, you get App Twin that enables you to clone your messaging applications. You can get 2 independent WhatsApp, 2 Instagram, 2 Facebook Messenger, and any other form of messenger can be duplicated into 2 and be used simultaneously. So what I did, I set 2 WhatsApp, I cloned one for my personal account and the other for my business account. It's cool if you buy the Tecno CAMON 17. Now, right above that is a video assistant feature that helps to enhance your experience of playing videos on the smartphone. So with such video assistant, it helps to block any notification that would have come to disrupt your viewing experience. Meanwhile, your display can be faster and smoother when 90 Hz refresh rate is enabled over the 60 Hz. I personally technically consider it to be a crime to use 60 Hz refresh rate on a 90 Hz refresh rate enabled smartphone. So enable the 90 Hz and enjoy your smartphone. Still under the display, you can enable the dark theme that is good for your eyes, and also it saves battery life. And under more connection, you have the cast feature that enables you to mirror your phone screen to either your PC or to your smart TV. I made a tutorial video on that some time ago. I will link it below in the description. Just watch it in the description so you can know the step by step to activate it. And for those of you who want to set up the motion gesture, go to settings under system. You have navigation system or still navigation. From there you can activate the motion gesture. Now, after spending so much to buy the Tecno CAMON 17, it makes sense for you to activate the security, and one of such things is the theft alert. With this feature enabled, you get alerted whenever your smartphone is interrupted when charging it, or when the earphone has been unplugged from the 3.5mm jack. The phone go shout, go ring for you to know say that somebody won't tamper with your smartphone. Now, let's get back to the special feature. There you find social tumble that helps to improve your social interaction experience. But you must first install WhatsApp Messenger for you to enjoy this feature. With this feature, you can have fun whenever you video call with your friends and family. You can change your voice tone. You can enhance your video visibility. Like if you get crocro on people's face before, this one fits smooth your face for you to look finer than before when making a video call. While the game mode improves your gaming experience for gamers in the house. Smart Panel is another quick access feature that, once activated, brings all your favorite applications a step closer to you, and this can be activated in any of the interface. And lastly, under micro intelligence, you have 8 basic features that can enhance your experience with the Tecno CAMON 17. The double tap to wake up screen, the music gesture, the raise to ear to answer call, and so many others you can see there. So this bunch of features will help you to enjoy using the Tecno CAMON 17 even more. Tell me your favorite in the comment section. I'd love to know. And also remember to subscribe and hit the turn bell, the post bell, for more notification. Alright, thanks for watching. It's my GA, and I'll see you around in my next one.